So I've already filmed a detailed walkthrough on the Majesty 120, but I had to take this opportunity because since then, they've won an award. So the Naval Architecture Award, and they've basically incorporated a lot of heat recovery in this vessel. So you're saving something like 250 litres of diesel per day in some of the technical aspects. So from an environmental perspective, it has really improved the design, but just come and have a look at this. It's going to be a bit of a quick walkthrough. Again, I've already covered this boat for you guys on the channel, but you know, Majesty will do anything you want, and this is an example. Just look how impressive this design is here, and the artwork, which is basically splattered paint on the wall, but I love it. It's awesome. It really is a nice feature of this area. Comes straight on through, because we do have a few differences compared to the one we did last time. In this area, this foyer type area, we go straight in and we have basically a commercial laundry. So that's pretty handy. And look, that we did actually have that on the last boat, but there was some crew in there hiding out of the way, so we didn't want to disturb them. You got your day head just in here. And then you come straight in to the master on the same level and just soak this up. The carpet, it's one of the things that's hard to convey on screen. You go from walking from the saloon area on the timber onto this beautiful, thick, soft woolen carpet, and it's all part of the experience. You go in here, check this out. There's a TV, and I think this has actually got touch features. I don't exactly know how to operate, so I'm not going to pretend like I know what I'm doing there. But you have your loo in here. Look at that. If that's not made for a king, I don't know what is. That is so cool. And then your shower is on this side, and I want you to pay attention to the world's biggest rain head shower head up there. And I'll jump in there for perspective. How cool is this? So that's lovely. And we'll just keep this one moving because, again, I know you've seen this boat before. So in here, we should have proper walk-in wardrobe. Plenty of hanging space, and those doors close equally. We'll go straight down into the accommodation. Just look at this timber work. It's really, really well done. All the curves everywhere gives you such a nice warm feel. And the color as well, just with hints of blue, the timber and the white leather. It's just got a really nice warm feel about it. You definitely want to come down here with clean feet. Make sure you don't step off a dirty, muddy beach and walk through here because you'll mess up the carpets. But hopefully that's someone's job to make sure you don't do that. Nice little timber features here. Heaps of space for towels, storage, nice shower there, storage underneath the beds. You've got hanging lockers just in here and beautiful features everywhere we look. Linen storage here in the foyer, and that's a control panel for 240 power distribution. Here on the starboard side, once again, nice place for your artwork. Got the ladies area just here. Imagine sitting here in the morning checking your emails, looking out with that view. Fantastic. Mirror image, I would say, of the bathroom. Just pop the camera in there and just have a quick look. And this is a cool feature. This looks like woven some sort of material which wraps around the stainless grab handle, which is kind of nice. These stairs fold up, so there's storage underneath the stairs. You can put vacuum cleaners, that sort of thing. You got bucket loads of space in here, and it narrows as we go forward. It kind of draws you in, but we'll have a look at these guest berths here. So this is huge. Yes, it's a single, but it's like a 1.5 size single. It's quite a large bed, and we do have a Pullman berth. So just come in here and have a look on this side. You just probably press this button here and down she comes like so. There's your Pullman. So that gives you more options. Then we've got hanging locker behind here. We've got a TV here. Again, a vast bathroom with these huge chunks of marble which is great. I hate it when you have small tiles in boat heads because they're just harder to maintain. I like having the bigger ones. Oh, look at this sink detail. So the sink base goes down on an angle and then it drains away here. It's just kind of funky. So let's go forward. So here's where it narrows and it draws your eye into this awesome VIP. And this is a dance floor. Like, look at this, I could just cruise around. You could do yoga in here. You've got so much space. You could put 2 yoga mats down here if you didn't want to do it up on the upper deck, which I don't know why you would, but I'm just saying. So you've got this wonderful circular feature up here, which kind of captures your attention as you come in. And coming through the narrow passageway, you know what it's like? If you've ever swum into a cave, and some of those ones that you have in Croatia or random places, Thailand, and then you come into this beautiful natural environment. I get a bit of that vibe, so I hope you're following me there. But we've got storage down either side. Have a look inside the head, just there on port, and a ginormous. You could do yoga in the walk-in wardrobe. That's awesome. This is cool. Check this out. So good. All these drawers have got glass finishes there, and the hanging rail actually has a light in it, which is kind of cool. So let's keep moving. We'll go straight up the stairs this time. So we'll go up 2 levels. Oh, wonderful air conditioning. Backlights underneath all these stairs, onto the marble. You can have your little art piece just here, a little bit of storage underneath. And we've got this stitched, I'm not sure what this material is, wrapped around the stainless. And we'll go straight to the bridge. So through this door from the marble onto a timber flooring. And she's impressive. So I'll leave a link to my sea trial video of this very vessel. Not this exact one, it's the same model that we did in Cannes last September with Alfredo. How do I describe this boat? The cutting bow and the motion through the ocean is really comfortable because she glides along at 21 knots effortlessly, and you can wind that speed back for a little bit more efficiency, but she feels like a proper ship. So just quickly, captain's quarters is in here. Wow, even the captain gets the nice carpet. I haven't seen that before, that's cool. So nice berth, Pullman berth just here, and he's got a bit of space. Leather, this is really plush for a captain's quarters. Wow. Check out his bathroom. Come around and have a look. Isn't that cool? Geez, you're not struggling in this one, are you? Awesome. So you can hanging storage just here. You can get out onto the deck and port and starboard. And we'll do that in a second because I want to take you straight through. Storage underneath here. Another head just here, just a day head. But check out this area. So one of the, not questionable, it's not even quirky, the dining options are less so on this particular style, but just remember, this particular owner, whoever he or she is, has decided this is what they want and this is what suits them. So you don't have to do this. If you wanted to have more dining rather than just the internal dining, you could always add another table downstairs, which we'll see in a second. But on this particular model, it's just the internal formal dining, and then we have this one just here, which is a little bit smaller. But isn't this lovely? Like, I vibe this. This TV pops up and down here. This is a sliding door, so you can lock it off for privacy. And then you've got this wonderful bar area just here with storage for all your glassware behind. You've got a fridge in here, deep stainless sink, and then drawers all the way up and down. Perfect area for doing your cocktails. How does this work? Open door. Awesome. I love that. Oh, sick. So, how do we do this? We got an ice maker in here and storage in here. So just a good area for preps. Big subwoofer. This is obviously the dance area. And then just pay attention to the timberwork up here. That's a nice touch. And that looks like some light strips as well, just for creating a bit of a vibe. And then, how good's this? Look at all the space we have out here. So we've got life rafts deployable, 2 on either side, port and starboard. And we've got our crane back here. So this looks like a pretty decent capacity. So I got to put my sunnies on, the sun's starting to come out. So we can assume from that that there is tender storage, the option for tender storage with removable davits up on this deck. So you might have your larger rib down below, or a couple of jet skis up here, for example, or a lighter weight rib perhaps. So let's go up. We won't go the starboard side, sorry, because you can't go that side. We'll go the port side, and we'll check out the Flybridge in a second. Heaps of space. These boats are all built to survey, so all these sorts of railings are going to be regulation. We've got down lights, so the picture of this yacht of an evening is going to be beautiful. The wing stations, super practical. We have a wing station on either side. You just have the bow thruster on this boat, and then you can set the rudder angle and then just kick it in one engine or both at a time, and it's super torquey. I remember coming out of the dock in Cairn, she really wants to kick herself one side or the other, so heaps of control. And then when you're done with this, you actually just pull this thingamajiggy and the whole thing can, I think it either spins or it drops down. Either way, it disappears and gets out of the weather. Storage in here, and check this out, guys. How good's this? So those tables drop down and can turn into another day bed, but your primary day bed is this one just here. And then we've just got oodles of space up here and proper ship style anchoring setup because she's a 120 footer. How good's this? Love it. So that's all very impressive, and come on with us and we want to go to the Flybridge. So actually we'll go back the way we came, because if you go down starboard side, it actually takes you down a deck level. So you'll just have to believe me that there's a wing station on that side. Navigation lights just here, LED, and you've got your backlit stainless steel Majesty logos just there. They light up at night time. So going up to the Flybridge, this is cool. The design with the timber on the roof is quite bougie, and then you've got these lights just here that will illuminate these stairs as you come up. But this is amazing. Oh, it's going straight to the spa. Oh, there's water in it. Oh my God, I should have brought my budgie smugglers. Oh, and actually that would probably put you off. So got the full jet spa here, got a couple of sun lounges on either side, protection from the breeze. We've got protection from the sun aft. Obviously we've got our mast with communications up top, which we'll have to cut to. But this is where you're going to be hanging out. This is your day, I reckon. You got this super cool lounge just here. This is just movable furniture, so you can do what you like just here. So you could rearrange this, get a different style. They will be just building whatever you like. These bar stools are fixed, and this bar is funky with the timber set up just here. That's fiberglass, and we go straight through. That's a cool design. Like it. Fridge, ice maker, barbie, storage, sink, marble, lights everywhere, so you can operate 1, 2, 3. You can operate of an evening. We've got the flush speakers just here, and your sun deck here, and all this furniture, even these sun lounges and these side tables. Just come and have a look at this. It's lots of detail. It's all made at the Majesty factory. Like, if you want something funky, you want something unique, they'll just make it for you. I've been to the factory now, and they've got some real craftsmen there. It's pretty impressive. So that's it, guys. It was just an interior walkthrough, a bit of an update to show you that you can have whatever you like with Majesty, and it's an impressive operation they've got here. I'm not going to go down through the engine bay because I've already done that on another video, and if you're interested in how she performs, click on the link coming up on your screen right now.